In today's video, I'm going to clear up a very common question: how to create a Telegram account with email. And the truth is, you actually cannot create a Telegram account using an email address. Telegram only allows sign up and login using a phone number. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact and correct way to create or log into a Telegram account step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. If you're on a desktop, you may see an option to scan a QR code using an existing Telegram account. If you don't have one yet, simply choose the option to log in with your phone number. On the next screen, enter your phone number, making sure to select the correct country code. Once your number is entered, tap Next. Telegram will now send you a verification code, also known as an OTP. In many cases, this code may arrive directly inside Telegram if you're already logged in on another device. If not, you'll receive the code via SMS or sometimes even a phone call. Enter the verification code when prompted. Once the code is verified, your Telegram account will be created or logged in successfully. That's all there is to it. Even though email isn't used for account creation, your phone number is all you need to get started on Telegram. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow guides.